So what are we doing? We are driving to basically the Canadian border to pick up something. Trailer in tow. We are on our way. We're somewhere in upstate New York. I don't know where. We still have a long ways to go, so stay tuned and hopefully we'll get there soon. Are we there yet? No, we're not there yet. Not much longer, whiny Smurf.
So the person I got it from, he got it from a gentleman in Ohio, and he pretty much wanted to keep it and restore it, so he took it all apart, put it up on his rotisserie, and ended up doing all the undercarriage, sprayed it all, and then the guy I got it from went to him, and from what I understand, he wanted to restore it also, and the guy ended up selling it to him. So I had a bus that he wanted, so then my wife has always wanted a single cab, so we bartered, and that's how I came into this.
Now this is in South Carolina?
This is in Anderson, South Carolina.
And then it came, because I've seen a thread on this one.
That was, I started the thread on it.
Yeah.
Yep.
So it went from South Carolina to almost Canada.
Yep.
How far are we from Canada?
Roughly about, I don't know, you could be there in 40 minutes.
Is it that far?
Yeah, somewhere's right around there. Yeah. Yeah, so I went from Ohio.
Cool. Lake Ontario is like...
Yeah, Lake Ontario's not that far, about a half an hour.
Okay.
But
so from South Carolina...
it went from
Ohio
to South Carolina to me, and then to Connecticut. You gotta open it on the inside.
And then to Connecticut. You don't have a key for it, for the ignition?
No, everything that I got is there. And actually I got the gas tank for it. And then from Mexico, a guy had a 58 and he had the front bumper brackets. So I ordered the original front bumper brackets from him in Mexico, and he shipped them up to me.
Nice.
From when they're in that box right there. From Guadalajara.
Cool. Nice. So this was my buddy kept asking me what the logo.
Yep, it says, it took me a long time. Okay, so it says air conditioning, comfort, contractors, incorporated. And then this says warm air heating.
Cool.
Then the back says Comfort Contractors Incorporated, Columbus, Ohio.
Okay, there's the Ohio. Cool.
So back years ago, that's what it did. And this is truck number 2 in their fleet.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because it's got the number 2 on their door.
Cool.
On the passenger side door.
All right.
But all the gates all fold down still, make it a flatbed. And
Nice.
They're still functioning. So.
You know you're north when they've got sleds out front. Well, we have a rainbow on the way home, so I'm guessing I am going to find a pile of NOS parts in the treasure chest of the single cab when we get home. What do you think? Well, it looks like we're gonna have some extra patina when we get home. The bus has been dry for so long too. It sucks. What are the chances? Well guys, I made it home. It was a nice day to drive to basically Canada and back. I've never been that far north. Look for updates on this soon. It's good to be home. I'm glad my hoopty trailer made it too. So, hope you guys are having a great day, and we will see you soon on the next one. All right, guys, have a good night. Looking forward to working on this thing. Stoked.